Alright, as promised, my print is done. This is 100% infill. We have the same funny marks. We can't really see it on this one. These marks here are some kind of defect. It shows up like little leaves. It's some kind of defect in the print bed. If I move the print bed, they move. So anyway, this one here I didn't really care for because it's obvious that it's 20% infill, and this one here is 100% infill. You still get, you know, that kind of goofy look, but anyway, drops right in. You'd probably put the other one right on top of the other one, which is kind of what I thought that it was going to look like when I got done with it. We could even do this. So you can really see those marks. Now, well, actually, I'm not seeing them on the camera as good as I am. It's something on the print bed. I don't really see any obvious, but they show up every time. So maybe, I don't know. Look at this, there's filament stuck in here. And you know, these magnetic print beds, they do get screwed up, and you get dents in them and stuff, or you get too much damage, it could cause it to be crooked. But this thing is not really using a bed mesh like it should. And I also don't like how it always tries to print right here. This is off of the bed. I wish they had the little locator pins. So I have another sheet from an Ender 3. I might try printing on that next time I print. But anyway. So that's the Cooler Master. There's one. There's a little bit of stringiness here and there. I printed it at 90 millimeters a second, so it probably would have been a little better if I would have printed it slower. But I think it came out pretty good. It's not too bad. So there you go.